Hi Stampers, this is Gigi with StampFUNatics, and I have this really cute set I wanted to show you that'll be coming January 3rd in our new mini occasions catalog. We're calling it a mini catalog now, and if you notice, it's going to open horizontally. And also, this is also our time for celebration, and you can earn free products in this book with every $50 that you purchase, either from the mini catalog or annual catalog or even our clearance rack. So you can decide what you want. And one of our sets is this heartfelt stamp set, and it comes as a bundle with a plain heart and also a scalloped heart punch that matches this set. We also have beautiful designer series paper. Let me bring some of this in, and this is called From My Heart, and it has like these beautiful hearts that also match up with our punch, as you can see. And I love when paper does that. Also has a beautiful back. This has sort of puffy hearts and also has some arrows and just your beautiful Valentine paper. We happen to have a red foil one I'm going to be using today on our gift box, and also hearts and stripes and some hearts with arrows. So you just have a variety, and you have this wonderful set too that goes with our plain punch, which will fit in there. As you can see, I've already been punching. You just take it and circle around there, and you've got that too. So let me show you what I'm making today. And that's going to be one of our pizza boxes. So I'm going to take this pizza box and just build it real quick. Let's get that over here. And all you do is you're going to put these two ends in. This is the front of your box. And build this over and around. And they're going to fit down in those two tabs. And same thing, you're going to close this up. Bring it up over your tabs, and then the front will close in, and that little tab will be how you'll open it later. So that's how your finished box will look. Okay, and then I cut some of our designer series paper, and I loved this red foil, and this is cut 3 3/4 by 3 3/4. So I'm just going to add some of my liquid glue and put that on. I'm going to show you a very fast treat. Now you can bake your Valentine cookies, or you can put some candy, or you can put a piece of jewelry or any type of treat you want in there. This is going to make a great little gift. And the box is all built for you, so there's not much to do there. Okay, then I took my paper and let's see, let me find it. I put it all back, so I've got to take it all out. There we go. And I'm going to take one of, this is a Flirty Flamingo color and a real red. I'm going to use the Flirty Flamingo, which is the other background. I'm going to use my scallop punch, line it up, and punch that out. And that's going to go on the top of the box. But first, I want to stamp it. So let me bring in this one, and it is from Love You Lots, and it's from the Heartfelt set. And I'm going to use real red ink since I'm using Flirty Flamingo for my background. Let's go ahead and ink that up. And I'm going to go ahead and just stamp it right on the heart. Cute. I love the font on this set. It is so cool. All right, so now I'm just going to pop this up on my box. I'm going to use the Stampin' Dimensionals. Like I said, these boxes can come together real quick for teachers, co-workers, friends, or family. And you won't have to do too much except for decide what you want to put in your box. I'm going to go ahead and put this down a little bit, right in the middle. And then I have some of our beautiful dotted Swiss Whisper White ribbon, and I'm just going to go ahead and tie a bow because again it has the polka dots on it, and I just thought that was so cute. And let's go ahead and do that. Oops, there we go. And we're just going to tie a bow and adjust it until we get it where we want it. And then we'll cut. And I'm going to take my glue dot. Let's see, where are you? There we are. I'm going to roll it a little bit just because my little ribbon, I don't want it to show. And I'm going to put that right in the corner there. And let's flatten that out a little bit. Isn't that cute? Done. I'm not going to really do any more. This is it. And that way you can put whatever you want inside. It has a waxy finish, so you could put food in there. Or like I said, you could put any small gift. This is a nice size box. It's about 4 by 4. So I also want to tell you about my Valentine class. If you purchase, go online and purchase $50, and this bundle is about $45. So if you did this and maybe the paper, or you want to get some of these great little doilies that we have, I actually could have put one underneath if I wanted to, but I just kept it simple for now. But you could put these underneath. Let me show you how that might have looked. I can get this up real quick. Okay, it could look like this. And then you could put it on for another effect, or on the back, they're all white. So you could have done it this way and put it on again like that. I actually kind of like that. I might do that. Let's just go ahead and do it. So we'll put it on the back of our heart-shaped. And then I'm going to put one more right there where I had it. And we'll go ahead and put that back on. Get this out so we don't have any glare. And we'll put that right back on there. And that kind of goes pretty with the white ribbon. I think I like that even better. So there you go. I'm designing right as I'm talking with you. Okay, so that's our little box. And if you order this bundle, like I said, these 2 punches come together with the stamp set and maybe a pack of your doilies. You have your $50 order, and you will also earn a celebration freebie for 50 points. And I also have a free Valentine class that I'm doing for you that will give you a card with an envelope and also 3 or 4 treats. So you'll see the little treat bags and boxes that I'm going to be making. And those orders need to be in by January 15th. This goes live, I told you, on January 3rd. Please use my current host code. And if you do that by the 15th, I will email you the PDFs, which are your free videos and tutorials on how to make the gifts that I'm doing. And also you'll get a little kit in the mail with things to be able to make these little treats. So hope you enjoyed this and look forward. And if you don't have a catalog yet and you're not a demonstrator, I would be happy to mail you out our new celebration catalog and our new mini catalog so that you can start looking through them and getting your wish list together. You can just go ahead and comment below or email me at StampFUNatics@gmail.com and let me know that you would like catalogs, and I'll get them out to you. Thanks and have a great day.